Block printing. Here is a short video of me attempting to try block printing at home, starting with a cotton t-shirt, thus removing the creases and wrinkles off from the t-shirt as much possible. Use an iron for good results. Once done ironing, select the block. Here I am directly painting the acrylic color on the block. One can also dip the block directly in the color as done by the artisans. According to one's design, place the block carefully on the fabric, adding a little pressure to it so the color is completely taken by the fabric, and considerately lift the block. There will be a minor faded designs as we are not trained people in this skill, but we can still enjoy the intricate patterns forming on our cloth. Just keep on repeating the process as per design till we are done. And do not worry about the faded colors as we can correct those with our paint brushes later. And this is how our t-shirt looks like. Follow the same process to print anything as I have done on a bag. And create your own unique pieces.